Good day, guys. Today we are capturing this beautiful church here in Sofia, Bulgaria. You can see I'm doing nothing right now. I'm just overlooking the process. The DJI Matrice 4E is capturing the church using photogrammetry 100% autonomously. So you can see here, it is basically collecting 2 images per second, which we will after that upload all the images in a 3D software, and the final result will be a very accurate 3D model, which the church, and not only the church but also other cultural institutions and engineering firms can use to assess the quality and detect some defects and cracks and stuff, because we can see that the church is very beautiful, but unfortunately it is slowly decaying. So this 3D model will be a very valuable asset for reconstruction. Okay, so why is a 3D model of this old church in Bulgaria so important? Well, firstly, we have cultural preservation, because after capturing 7,000 images of this church, we will stitch it into a high accurate 3D model, which will create a digital copy of the entire church. Of course, we hope nothing happens, but if a fire outburst or something, or if some other problems occur to the church, we have a digital copy and we know exactly how to restore it, because we have a digital copy of the church. So this is very important.